My name is Larry and I live in rural Ogden, Iowa. I have been a Gold Club member since September 2023. The rules for Golden Rule, number one is respect. And I really like how every time they respect my time. You know, time is very important for all of us. And when I call and make an appointment, they say they're going to be there on time, they are. I love how they send a picture of the technician to your text phone that he's coming, and he's coming within 30 to 40 minutes of that time. And he's got his phone number listed right there too. If there is an issue, you can contact him directly, and they are on time. That to me is a huge piece for this busy time that we live in. Yeah, the second rule is understanding for Golden Rule. And I think that's a critical step, because when it is time that we need Golden Rule to come in, whether it's my plumbing issue or my furnace issue, it was a time of crisis. I needed them now, but also at the same time, when you're in a crisis mode, I mean, you want answers, but you also want the best. And these guys take their time, they explain it, go through it, and ask if you have any questions, and then re-explain it again to make sure that you're fully understanding what is needed on the repair. And I really appreciate that. They don't talk down to you. They just take it at the level that is needed and really show and explain it and walk through it. And I thought that level of understanding is very important, because it really makes me as a homeowner feel comfortable that they know what they're talking about and they have my interest in their best mind. Yeah, the third rule is loyalty, and I absolutely agree with that for Golden Rule. I became a member, like I mentioned, in 2023, and then when I called them on the second time and it was an emergency, they responded within hours of my call, and they were in constant contact until they were able to fix and resolve the issue. And I think that loyalty means a whole lot to me. I am a Golden Rule customer for life. The rule of expertise for Golden Rule says it all. These guys are experts at their field. I'm a very handy guy. I like to do a lot of my own repairs, but there are things that I know that I can't do, and I really appreciate Golden Rule and the training that they put their technicians through, the many hours that they are. You can tell these guys are trained in what they do, and when they come out and look at it, they have all the tools that's necessary. And even when they have to confer with others, I've seen the supervisor of Golden Rule come out and take a look at issues that are going on, and they confer and they get it done. These guys know what they're doing. Service, the last of the rules, I think is very important. Again, is that when I call, I need service. And here these guys, from the customer service to the dispatchers, they all are professional and respond very quickly and treat you like you are family. And that's I think was the important piece, is that I do feel like I am a family now of the Golden Rule, and I'm happy to be a part of that. And I know that when I need my next service, they're my first call. I got them on my phone on speed dial now if I need them.